Hi, I'm Mike from 850 Armor Works, and welcome to our first video in the series of, well, we'll just call it the unboxing video. So, the first video in our series here is going to be our Clone Trooper. As of March 2024, this is how our Clone Troopers arrive. One of the most complete and comprehensive kits available, not to mention the most affordable. So, let's dive right in and see what we got. So let's just pretend here that you just got your big brown box in, and this is how it came. So you're in your garage, you're in your workbench, you got all your tables set up. You're also going to pretend here for a second there's a whole bunch of popcorn on top of here. We didn't put popcorn on top of this. This kit is shipping out to a customer as soon as we're done with this video. So first things first, we undo a lot of popcorn here and a lot of swearing. And then we dive right in and see what we got. First thing we have is a piece of PVC. Well, I wonder what that's for. This is your canister. Part of your canister. We have a pretty little Christmas present here, all wrapped up. Let's see what we have here. Nice, she wraps this stuff pretty well. And, we got all the rubber components. So we got rubber elbow straps, a pair of these, rubber compad, rubber shoulder straps, and rubber knee straps. So yay, all that is accounted for. And we got a big old box right here, a big old bag right here. So what we got in here? Alright, a clone detail back plate, canister end caps, and I'm dumping it. There we go, all done. So we got belt boxes. This is one of the newer additions to the kits. We've been doing this on our builds for a while now. We decided to just go ahead and start shipping these out with kits. These are the knee clips. They kind of go behind the knee, and then the rubber strap goes behind that. No big deal, just one little extra detail. All the belt boxes right here. Clone detail right here to make a canister. All that's good. Let me lay out the belt here. And right there is our brand new urethane rubber clone belt. It's about 52 inches long, so even over armor, you can see you got plenty of room to cut it off to make a complete belt. That's really nice. You're laying them all out, and you can see these are going to fit in a lot better. Yeah. Very nice. Much better. So basically, the entire belt. Now it looks like we're getting into armor pieces. Finally, the good stuff. So one thing's right on top. These are going to be your forearms. Lefts and rights. Left and right shins. Left and right calf. Left thigh. Right thigh. Left hamstring. Right hamstring. Shoulder bells. Elbows. Knees. And these are the knee clips we're talking about. They go behind here, just where that detail's exposed. Then these are the calf spoons if you choose to use them. There are options. You do not have to use spoons and make your shins and calves completely seamless according to Costume Club requirements. And quite honestly, we don't recommend it anymore. It gets you trapped in your armor. You have to have assistance to put them on unless you're just extremely limber and have it set up well. Quite honestly, a lot of them just don't look good. It's rough. It's a tough truth we have to eat. But a lot of these, we see big gaps, and it just doesn't look very good. So make the choice. Do you want a seam on the inside that's barely going to be visible, or do you want like a big gap and problems trying to get this thing all the way down in and then being trapped in your armor? Because you got to remember, if you have an emergency, you need to get out of your armor, or people need to be able to get you out of your armor. So just think about it. You have a heart attack, you're in armor, you're laying on the ground, they can't get this stuff off you. Just be sure you can get out of your armor. Any method you want to do, that little bit of extra accuracy or look just isn't worth it. Moving on, we got biceps. So these are the front of the biceps, these are the rear of the biceps. Codpiece, posterior. This is where it's going to get a little different. We're getting into some of the new parts that we've done this year. So we have a new abdomen, around the right way. So you're going to be sent a front abdomen, a kidney or a rear abdomen, and an extra kidney that you're going to be using for like shims and side extensions, anything you might need to ensure that this fits around you. Because I'm a fairly big guy. I'm about 48 inches circumference around here, and without shims, it won't fit me perfectly. But this is normal for me in every set of armor, no matter what. So I gotta shim it, and we're making sure you get all the stuff that you need to put your armor together. And we have the back plate, and we have the chest plate, and last but not least, the handguards. So trimming means all the excess flash from the plastic is being cut away and is more or less ready for assembly. There will be some final edge sanding and some evening up that you need to do, but we've taken away all the trimmings. This is trimmed versus all of this just being your basic kit right here. We've taken care of a lot of the work for you. We charge $100 for this, but what takes us a fraction amount of time can take you, days, depending on what tools that you have. We highly recommend it unless you just love cutting plastic. Now you can see some of the comparative differences here between all the plastic that we have to have. So here's a right bicep, and here is it on the sheet. What we have laid out here is the makings and the start of your clone kit. So when you get your package, this should be everything that you have, everything that you need to get your suit assembled. There is only one tiny detail missing from this entire suit, and that is the little clip that goes here on the side. You can cut a scrap piece of plastic and get that on there, and you're done. The suit meets all upper level requirements for 500 First membership and Rebel Legion membership. We started this one, or this version of it, as our version 10 in 2017. I now consider us as, we did an update in 2020 and just did this last little update here at the end of 2023, 2024, and here we are now. So this is our final version, our last version. It's the most affordable kit on the market. Get yours today. Thanks for tuning in.